Yo, as you all know, my name is Nene, and welcome to the third tutorial in C++ programming. In the previous tutorial, we looked at how to run a simple C++ program, which produced a very good result for us, and I guess everybody was happy, okay, because it was your first time running a C++ program. That's cool. Alright, we never really understood all the concepts of the things that we put together to produce the simple program to echo Hello World and Hello Ghana on our screen. So in today's class, we're going to look at every single thing that we've put together to produce that result. So my first line over here, the line 1, it starts with a hashtag and says include IO stream. Alright, what the include IO stream means is that it's actually a derivative read and interpreted by what is known as the preprocessor. Okay, these are special lines interpreted before the compilation of the program itself. So as we go along, we include some more other things and we understand how they all work. Okay, so the line 2 and line 4 are actually empty spaces, and the blank lines, which are the empty spaces, have no effect on the program at all. You can leave as many as possible, it wouldn't have any effect on the program. All this does is that it adds more beauty to the code, and then it enhances readability of the code as well, so it doesn't really have any effect on the program. Okay, so when we move down to line 3, we have using namespace std, which was terminated here. So if you use this line of text over here using namespace and something else, so in this case we're gonna be focusing on std. So using namespace std, it makes all the symbols in this namespace std visible to the program. Okay, it makes everything become visible to the program. So for instance, instead of writing std, then you bring this before you bring your C out. When we want to echo maybe 100 lines of code, hello world, hello Ghana, hello Jamaica, hello Egypt, hello Africa, hello Togo, whatsoever, we're gonna be repeating this std, which is gonna make C++ a very tedious work. So we call it once over here as using namespace std, and we never call it again, but it affects all parts of the program. So that's what this one basically does as well. So when we go to line 5, this is int main. So the line 5 initiates the declaration of a function. So this is the main function of our program. In the subsequent tutorials, I'll get a full-time tutorial for functions in C++ for you, then you understand the functions more. Okay, we move down to line 7. When we move down to line 7, we see this is the C++ statement, which actually produces a result. When you analyze this critically, you realize that the hello world and hello Ghana we echoed on the screen in the previous tutorial all came here. Okay, so this specifies the actual behavior of the program. So as we go along, we're gonna look at more things like cout, then we produce some variables, cin, we accept some input and all that. So when we go to line 6 and line 9, we have some braces over here. So the open brace indicates the beginning of the main function, and then the line 9 also indicates the end of the main function. Alright, we go back to line 8 over here. You see return 0. This is actually the return type. And in the subsequent tutorials, I also have one full tutorial on return types for you. Then you understand what a return 0 means and all other return types in C++. So this is just an explanation to what you saw in the previous tutorial, which you really wanted to panic and you didn't really understand everything. So this is nothing too difficult. So if you understand this concept very well now, then you are good to go. So we continue programming C++ and learn more things in C++. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.